Hello everybody. Today I show you why Dell charger don't charge battery but simply work from power. Dell chargers have third contact, also known like nail. And in 90% it broken inside connector. My friend give me to repair his old Dell charger. Thanks God I have additional power cord from alternative damaged Dell charger. To check problem need to disassemble charger, my was disassembled. And check by multimeter 3 wires in cord on short circuit. If middle contact not short, it's mean that circuit open and battery charging not works. I soldered new one used cable. Before soldering I checked it. It has chance to live. Assembling charger. Checking charging with laptop. Laptop battery is fully charged. Okay, I plug out cable and wait some minutes to discharge battery. After plugging charger, battery starts charging. It's simple repair. Before I resolved this problem by disassembling connector and solder nail pin, but it not fast work. Thank you for attention.